Can CleanMyMac replace manual maintenance? The honest answer, no, CleanMyMac cannot fully replace manual maintenance. It can replace parts of it, and for many people it replaces most of the routine chores, but not actual ownership and judgment. CleanMyMac is designed to automate repetitive tasks like deleting clutter, uninstalling apps cleanly, and surfacing storage issues. Mac reviewers generally describe it as a convenience tool rather than a replacement for understanding your Mac. The bigger issue, modern Mac OS already performs a lot of maintenance itself. Cache management, system scripts, storage optimization, and various housekeeping jobs are increasingly automated. That's why many experienced Mac users say things like, everything CMM does is already part of the system maintenance schedule. That view is common on Reddit, though opinions are polarized. Cups current * install Mac OS / app updates * check battery and disk health * watch for resource heavy apps * restart occasionally * use tools like activity monitor when something feels off. CleanMyMac saves time. It does not replace understanding what's slowing your Mac down. If your Mac suddenly becomes hot, noisy, drains battery, or feels sluggish, CleanMyMac may tell you symptoms, but you will still need manual troubleshooting. If you tell me your Mac model, MacBook Air M2, Intel iMac, Mac Studio, etc., I can tell you whether CleanMyMac is useful or mostly unnecessary for your setup.